Here is how to treat your oral problems with lemon. The lemon juice provides numerous health benefits. One of them is that it can treat numerous oral problems like removing bacteria and preventing infections. It eliminates bad breath, heals bleeding gums and reduces toothaches. But if you use it too frequently, it may damage the teeth. In the following, we will present you how to treat gum and teeth problems using lemons. Whiten teeth. Smoking, wine, tea and coffee are the main causes of yellow teeth. But whitening the teeth can cost a lot, but using the following paste can remove the stains and give you white teeth. You will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 TPS of salt. Mix them and brush the teeth with it. Leave it to stay for a few minutes and then rinse with pure water. Do this 2 times a week for better results. Avoid performing this treatment more than 2 times a week because the citric acid from the lemon can damage the enamel and make the teeth yellow. Removes bad breath. The mouth can smell when the saliva production is reduces or the mouth is dry or you have eaten onion or garlic. But the lemon eliminates the oral bacteria and prevents dry mouth. You will need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to gargle with and then, spit it out. After that, wash the mouth to prevent the lemon's high acidity to damage the enamel. Strengthens gums. Lemon can strengthen the gums and teeth and its content of vitamin C and its anti-inflammatory properties can heal the bleeding gums. You will need 1 glass of water and 2 TBS of lemon juice to rinse the mouth after the meals. You can also treat the bleeding gums with applying the juice directly on the gums. Reduces toothache. One of the most common causes of toothache is the tooth decay. The content of vitamin C in lemon can treat the infections and reduce the toothache. You will need 1 TBS of lemon juice to soak a cotton ball and dab it on the affected area. After that, wash the mouth with water. Be careful not to leave the juice in the mouth 10 to 15 minutes as its acidic content can cause tooth damage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.